Once, a king saw donkeys walking in a straight line and asked the potter how they managed to walk straight. The potter replied that he punishes any donkey that breaks the line. So, they walk straight in fear of punishment. The king said, "If you can establish peace in my kingdom, I will appoint you as a judge." The potter agreed, and they came to the city. The king then appointed the potter as a fair judge, and a case of theft was presented. The potter said, "Cut off the thief's hand." The executioner looked at the minister and whispered in the potter's ear, "This person is a special friend of the minister." The potter repeated, "Cut off the thief's hand." The minister whispered in the ear of the potter, "Consider him as your brother." The potter said, "Cut off the thief's hand and the minister's tongue." By making one decision, peace was established in the kingdom.